In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you about probability and dependent events. So if we have a problem like this one that says if you pick a card at random without putting the first card back, so you keep it, okay, what is the probability of picking a 3 and then picking a 1? And here's our cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the probability is the number of favorable outcomes out of the number of possible outcomes. And for us, what we want is to try to pick a 3, okay, for the first pick. And then our possible outcomes are 5, right, because we have 5 cards. So the probability of picking a 3 is 1 over 5. There is only one card with 3, so that's a 1. And then there are 5 cards, so 1 over 5, okay? Now, the two events, just two random events, are independent if the outcome of the first event does not affect the outcome of the second event. But for this one, we keep the card that we chose. We don't put it back, okay? So now we only have these cards left. So since we don't put the 3 card back, the two events are dependent, okay? So now the probability of picking a 1 now is 1 out of 4. There are 4 cards left. And the 1 card, there's only one of them. So that's why there's a 1 in the numerator. So now, to find the probability of picking a 3 and then a 1, multiply the probability of 3 by probability of 1. So you multiply these two together. So you would get 1/5 times 1/4, which equals 1 over 20. Now you can express that as a percent. You can convert it to a percent. Divide 1 by 20 and then multiply by 100, which gives you 5%. So the probability of picking a 3 and then a 1 without putting the 3 back is 5%. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. Anyone can do this. If you didn't understand that, you could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that are similar to this. If you need extra help, you could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.